We'd like to simplify this following expression. And to do so, we need to know our rules of exponents and have a little bit of an understanding about radicals and how they relate to exponents. First, what I'm going to do is I have a rule which says that if I take an exponent, raise it to another exponent, I can just multiply those guys. So that becomes a to the 3 halves. B to the minus 1/3 divided by b to the first. Well, you can subtract exponents. So I'm going to do a little bit of an aside here so we don't get too cluttered. In other words, it becomes b to the minus 1/3 minus 1, aka b to the minus 1/3 minus 3/3, or b to the minus 4/3. But b to the minus 4/3 is the same thing as 1 over b to the 4/3. This is an exponential property. If you're unfamiliar with your properties of exponents, you can review them on the site. There's a Properties of Exponents webpage. So it turns out that the b piece is just 1 over b to the 4/3. And since I have something up there already, I don't actually need this 1. The square root of a we haven't dealt with yet. I'm going to turn that into an exponent as well, and then maybe I'll be able to use one of my rules of exponents. The square root of a being a to the 1/2 power. And finally, c to the 0 is 1. And here we're making an implicit assumption that c itself is not 0. Any number to the 0 power is equal to 1, but 0 to the 0 is not defined. All right, let's play the same game that we played over here, which is subtracting the exponents. 3 halves minus 1/2 is just 2 halves, or 1. So we're left with a to the first over b to the 4/3.